Floor 2, wing A.
Sure cost me a lot. Yeah. She doesn't come out. We have
It's just a gaggle up here.
Fucking 8mm.
I'm gonna have to reload all my mags here soon. Green, 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 come on up. Come on up.
Come on up.
You're clear all the way up.
We're just coming down. We got 4 being up there, so not a whole lot going on up there. You just fire over there?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Clear?
Green.
We're clear all the way up to the roof.
They'll clear all the way up to the roof.
Yeah, I was gonna go up to the roof. We got guys coming.
They're entering the boiler room, all tan.
Does anybody know the status of the tunnels?
Oh, this is
The passage to the tunnels?
Come again?
You want to get down to the tunnel?
Yeah.
To get over to the boiler room?
Or anything on whether or not
Say they're all going to the boiler room.
I can radio it, see if they might.
Huh? That happened in September last year. All this started leaking. All right, let's go down to the subterranean. Somebody's staying on the pit. What's going on? All right, let's go to the boiler room. All right, coming down to the boiler room, subterranean access. Green?
Green coming out.
Green! Green, green,
Green,
green.
Shaggy.
Green, green.
What up, guys?
Let's go down.
Yeah, let's go down.
Let's go that way. Let's go down. Oh,
Go down right here.
let's go back to the tunnel.
So I'm gonna have to reload all my mags soon, but I got like 3 more, so we should be good.
Green.
I don't know which way the tunnel.
You don't know which way the tunnel is and you're trying to lead the way?
Can't remember.
It's down this
That's the
way.
cafeteria, boys.
Right where that EG went off. Green! 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 Green, green, green!
Hold on, watch out! Ready? Ready? No, 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 no!
Let the ball out. Let the beat go out.
We can sling them a message. Anybody got a grenade?
With the sling! Hell yeah! What do we got? I got a water bottle.
All right, who wants to go across the doorway?
I will.
Sling time.
Drop your firearm. You want to do it?
Here, no, I don't want to do it. I'll hold it.
You hold it?
Yep.
All right, I'll do it. Let me drop this.
Woo!
Alright, come here. Ready?
All right, grenade, come on. Boys, over time.
Heads up! Oh shit!
Lieutenant Dan. Good night, Jason.
Joey.
I didn't grab no ace bandages, so.
You need one?
Yeah, I didn't grab one at all the game either, bud.
I got like 20 of them for a reason.
$4. Poor fucking Jason got blown the fuck up.
Oh, this doesn't go across. Hey, wait a second. Excuse me.
What's going on this way?
Excuse me. Can we get through this way?
Yeah.
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 Is that door pull open?
Yeah,
If the door pulls, we can open it.
But our teammates just shoot and they've been shooting. Hands is right there.
I got full auto.
Yeah, we got full auto.
Watch out.
I just hear it. I heard them communicating like they were gonna run up and grab it.
Yeah,
They thought.
Mac, you just point back so I'm not getting something around you. I can't even see anything.
Look at these laser beams. Lasers. Green? Green? Okay. There's a push to get to here.
Are we pushed up?
Yeah, we're pushed up to about this door, but they're literally right fucking there.
Right there.
They're on the stairwell on the left side.
Stop backlighting!
Shoot through this back right now.
You can shoot through this.
You can? Yeah. Oh, right on. Say, I didn't think we can muzzle stuff like that, so.
Yeah, it's always kind of been at that point. It's just a skill at that point.
Right. They're on the left side, on the other side of the doorway. They're coming down the stairs, left side.
Hey, you take that now!
I'm pushed up that hall.
I was really hoping you guys would plan. I was ready to pull up on that.
He said, I seen the buzz. I'm like, did I see that guy? All right, now we gotta watch out. All right, leave your lights off. Don't engage if they have to.
We just hit one of these rooms just down there. Fucking wait for the push.
Basically.
Did you guys take out the sand guys that came up behind us?
Yeah, there's nobody on the left side. There's.
Do the light!
I'm still in that hallway. I'm tucked in a room. I'm safe as fuck. You guys can make it to me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking on my mic. God damn.
Hey, Chris, Howard! Here. Cross left!
They're on the left side.
Right behind. Right behind.
Say, I got an angle on the view of them. Whoa! I can't hear a fucking thing right now.
I'm getting used to it.
Tendinitis is real glorious.
This is like.
Rough, rough, rough. Yeah, we're not supposed to shoot through that. Holy shit balls.
I think the rule is as long as you can fit your fist to it. Oh, that's what a lot of people say.
So they might be getting close. Be careful.
Green's coming down the stairs. Green!
Man, thank God for that fucking wall, right? I'm still down there where all the grenades are going off. I'm tucked in a room though. We're all dead now.
I don't think they know who they're throwing grenades at.
I don't think they
they're just throwing.
That's Green coming down the stairway.
Yeah.
I'm tucked down in the basement, man. I'm in a room. Are you guys coming down that stairwell?
Oh, shit. It's Green. It's Green getting down the stairwell. I gotta turn my light on.
Green, green, green?
Yeah. I just want to see what's in here.
It's a big empty room.
Me, myself, and I.
Are you guys pushing down the stairs? Is Cam making a push? Where you guys at? Check. All out of con range. We're locking down this subterranean access. You guys should come down here. I'm tucked in a room. Someone coming up the stairwell or not? Hey, Joe. Oh, there's Bigfoot. There's Sexy. Can't hear shit. Huh? Can't hear anything. Sexy and Joe, you're right by me. Now you're not. You just walked away. You should be in the room with me. Watch that left side when you go through that doorway. Somebody has a hose down there. That is not 25 rounds per second. That's Corey and VIP.
Hey, more guns up, I didn't know you were on the cover. Don't come get you. No. Turn the camera. Let's move, daylight, boys and girls. Let's go. Nice move, nice move. Smoke on the door, we're good, let's go! Hey, pull that smoke out. I don't want that going in the building. Pull that smoke out. Thank you. Pull the smoke. I got it.
Watch that corner.
Get anyone? Right here. Hold on. No, the smoke. Is anyone watching right?
Are they up top?
Good. Yes, they're shooting out.
Are they down that way too?
No, I'm good.
They're what? No, we're up on that corner now.
Are they up or down?
Down.
Anyone have pyro? What's our next objective? Does anyone have pyro?
Yeah, we're gonna launch.
Don't fall.
Oh, you got me.
Right here on the door. Watch the fucking door. He's on the door.
Try flanking.
Scooter. Crossing.
I need match.
Buddy.
We got squad lead right here. Hold on. He can get you.
I don't have another bandage. Fuck.
Here. Pick this one up on the field.
Oh, fuck yeah.
They're right downstairs. Make sure you turn it to the lock and found there, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Hang on.
I do. Where's the scientist? We brought him to our FOB.
Oh, we got him back.
So you secured? Good.
We got him. So we're just holding him off then.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you bet.
Awesome. All right, next time I have to lead
Good.
up.
What am I?
That sounds nice.
Nobody up, right?
Taylor.
Dan? Thank you.
We got our guys on the second post right there, so they're in the basement. We got one dead right here.
What's not subjective?
That basement's clear. He's dead. You can push through that door.
Where's the second one that ran down the hall?
I don't see him.
Because he fucking ran down the hall.
He's not in that room. He's not in that room. I'm like 50% sure that basement's clear. If you push down them stairs. And into that room straight across, there's nobody in it. I just checked the windows.
You want to come push with me?
I got you.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I've only got one life left, so you guys lead.
There's a dead guy to your immediate.
Yep, straight across. Straight across.
I told you I was not moving from my square.
Taylor, suck in. I'm gonna go in. Right. I'm coming that way.
There you go.
All right, there ain't no door down there? Fuck.
Is there?
No. Is there?
Drag some of the night up, right over the small thing with Crown Royal. I guess it's the fucking omen for the janitor. They got the janitor here.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah,
That most of the time you gotta get somebody dead, there's too many of his friends around to go check on them. You're like, I'm not gonna get
In that doorway, in that doorway.
Hey, we need one more with us.
To your right, watch out to your right.
You're right, hey, watch the stairway.
Dude, watch that right door right there.
Stand in the stairwell to the right.
This door right in front of you, bro, to your right. They're in there. They're right here, in here. Stand directly to your guy's right, bro, in that doorway.
Yep, in that doorway.
In that stairwell doorway here. Like your immediate right.
In that doorway too.
I know, this one right here, right into the exit.
You got bangs?
Oh. You getting them in that door? Where are they at down in that? Are they down or up?
They're down. We got comms, we got green. Should be right above us.
They're in the middle, but they have to be on both sides of there in the middle. You can move up on this stairway.
Okay. Matt, you want to come up around them?
Are they down or up?
Down and up the stairs.
And up the stairs?
There's one. He's
peeking right to the left. To the left in the room to the left.
Down the stairs.
Before the end.
Down?
They down or up on this door. It says down as medium.
Alright, they're coming through edge to this door right here.
See if I can get it better.
Upstairs.
Might be able to sit across here.
He's holding that.
There's an angle. Somebody's getting killed in there.
Mike, watch this door right here.
Joey.
I know, but they're in there.
Joey's got a better angle. Use those long arms, my guy.
I'm pretty sure it's my guy.
You sitting there?
He's in that doorway. I'm just handed off a grenade to a teammate so you can hopefully loop.
Yeah.
Missed? Damn.
Hit the stairs. Then go down.
Damn.
We got another actual medic here.
Squad leader, I can revive you.
Joe's right around the corner. He's it.
Don here?
Cody, you want to buddy you over there?
Yeah, he's right there.
Is Don here? Yes, I stuck with you guys for once. I had a feeling this would happen. I thought that was a samurai sword for a second. I'm like, bro, when the fuck did you get that?
Here in the basement, current.
Hey, can any of you guys toss a grenade in that room? I don't think we have.
You got a grenade?
I got another one in this big spot, probably.
Real mad? We got a squad leader over here.
Now you're out.
I'm out. Damn.
Stairwell, down the stairs.
Yeah.
Still sitting?
Still sitting there. Good throw.
There you go.
You got sprayed, bro. We seen it.
Bro,
There you go.
tunnel should be clear, boys.
Tunnel's clear?
Yeah.
Any OBJs? Any OBJs?
No.
Want to hit the boiler room? Fabian's in the tunnel. Clear? Boiler room. What the fuck? Why is there a chair in the middle of the room?
What?
There's a chair in the middle of the room right there.
My favorite chair.
Did we get the scientist? We got it all the way.
Yeah, we got the scientist.
All damages are done. Move down here.
Try not to light if you don't have to.
One grenade or two and so I'm about to hang regular fast.
For real. Did you?
Yeah, I'm on 45 rounds.
Oh, yeah. Negative!
If it's nice, it's mine.
Right? You guys want to hit the boiler room? We can push out that door right by the schoolhouse. There are FOBs right to the right. There's a fucking pole there.
Come sliding in.
Contact?
Contact! One bunch up, guys. Keep moving.
Push to your right as soon as you go through that door.
To your right, behind the barrel. The big barrel. Watch the barrel.
That's where I camped for like 2 hours yesterday.
Flooded down here.
Wasn't like that yesterday. Clear?
Watch that stairwell.
We are currently in the boiler room. Clear. Everybody forgets to check back here.
Oh, I didn't know. He's shooting. Yeah, he's shooting. You got your gun up. When people are shooting, I
Matt, you behind?
We don't blame you. It's for the revolution.
Guy in the building, not the corner. That's our guy. He's dead. Inside the ground floor. Or potentially the far corner.
Oh, fuck. I like 4 of those bends in
What about this door?
Huh?
Is the door clear?
Admin!
Fuck's sakes.
I'm not tall enough to look through that window.
Oop. Oop.
Whoop. There was a super delay on your gun for some reason.
This thing's so fucking touchy. I had it on that. But you gotta like...
Buddy.
It's just ever so fucking
Oh no,
slightly.
actually I need real
I need a
medic.
medic.
I forgot. He's...
I need a medic.
Yo, he needs real medic, but he is a squad lead.
I don't know my blood type, so I'm screwed. Appreciate it.
Come on, I'm back, bud.
Appreciate it. Yeah.
Do we have any status on what's over there? Who's over there?
I don't know if anything over there. I know this guy came out.
You get out of the way, but I sit down my hand.
Hands behind your head.
Good try.
I had that shot.
Not everybody.
See, turn on. Why?
Hey,
They're right here. They're at the
that
gym.
window with the hose sticking out of it?
It's out of play.
But it's been open the whole time.
Well, no windows are supposed to be open.
Yeah,
I've already closed it multiple times. Somebody keeps opening
it gets open, and when we go up there, it's open, so we shoot out.
and it's open. Because
They're in that doorway. Anybody got pyro?
They're not to be open.
Yep, yeah.
If you see an open window, do
They're
not
right at that doorway.
questions. Ask your CO and talk to them.
They're shooting out that doorway. Can we Frank around this other side?
I think so. No, I think they're on the back side of this building.
So they're right in that doorway. We can't get around.
There's definitely one on the back side here.
Well, they can't shoot out that window, so.
No, no window. Really? Okay. Hey.
Whoa! You all right?
Good? You good? Yeah. Good trade though, good trade. Somebody busted your key. Right here, you got me right on the map. Alright, I got over here. How about right here?
They don't know I'm not dead.
No. 10 minutes! You dead? Dead or Betty?
He needs a buddy aid.
I need money.
Watch this corner.
Money your way. If you want to step out from the corner, that's fine. You can step out from the corner so you don't get fucked up. I'm dead. Yeah, so you're good.
Come this way, other side of the door or in there, yep.
Dude, if you don't want to get shot, move a little bit, but just, you know, don't move towards your teammates kind of thing. You know, nobody wants to get lit the fuck up just sitting there either, so I get that.
I came for carnage.
Oh yeah, you got
Vince,
2 or 3 of us.
You ready?
A couple of us coming around.
Vince.
I always put my
Vince, you ready?
like I'm gonna get shot.
Watch that, Ted. I don't know. Are you alive or dead?
I'm alive. Oh, yeah, but I'm
I don't know what that means. You got one? Yeah.
He needs buddy aid.
I need medic.
Squad lead.
Squad. Oh yeah, we're squad lead.
I'm gonna grab him.
You're squad lead. Fuck him. 2 hands. Pull it off and just rewrap it.
I think I wrapped this last time.
Some douchebag, honestly. Back on.
Good.
Cool.
We're pinned down by the school.
I think they're starting to push this edge a little bit too.
Push out that fucking boiler room door. They're getting us from their FOB. I'm standing right in front of the school.
I've seen it twice now. No worries. I think a lot of people are calling that 3-minute timer shit. Backside of that tree. Look at that for Bob. Oh, wait, 3 minutes now? How you doing, buddy?
Blasted that dude in the neck with a pacifier.
Yeah, right? Okay. You on this corner of our...
Oh shit, sorry bud. Have to, man. I don't want it to happen to me. I don't want to do it to nobody else. Green? Green?
I was totally hit.
You dead now?
Yeah, dead now.
You need buddy
Been
aid?
here for like a minute.
I'm squadly, but not a medic. Shit.
I think everybody's honestly calling it right about now, bro. Well, I see a lot of people walking off. There's still some fun going on though.
All right.
Are you dead? Like, are they fucking...
I don't fucking know, but they don't have dead rags on.
You dead?
I don't give a fuck if you're swinging. Are you dead or alive?
Are you dead? Huh?
You guys are big, nice asses.
Hey, you guys dead or what? No, are you dead or alive?
One in the middle is green.
I know, but this left, I'm asking this left one.
Hey, sweet, are you dead or alive?
Fucking smoking that.
Just tag him once.
We're fucking asking you!
Yeah, you guys are right. You guys are good.
Yeah.
What's that guy in the corner? Green?
Yeah.
Pull your dead rag out then.
We're fine, ref. They're not arguing.
We're not arguing. We've been asking them, are you dead or alive? And they just stare at us.
We're not arguing, man.
Sure, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
If they start engaging after doing something like that, I was
Hell yeah. They're all in that doorway, huh?
What's that?
There's one shooter right back there behind pacifier.
Hey, they call me cockshot. There's no point. All of them are just sitting at their
Nobody's in this direct doorway, but they're probably on the stairs, huh?
I loaded up with the last of my ammo.
They're on these stairs. Pushing around the backside. They're pushing around that side right now. Bro, I definitely got you, but we'll trade.
I'm beginning to wonder if there's anyone still in there.
There's tucked on the stairs.
Yeah.
It's the only place to go through that door, is the stairs. Then you go directly upstairs to a kill house.
You're good? We're dead over here.
We're dead.
I'm out of ammo.
There was a whole lot of us shooting each other.
I'd walk out that way more.
Does anyone have any intel?
Say, I'm dead, man. I can't talk.
You're close enough to ask him, but not us.
I'm not trying to get lit up, bro. I ain't got no ammo, bro. I mean, I have my Glocks, but that's got like 10 rounds in it, so.
Yeah, that's why I draw, just because I didn't want a full auto. Somebody in the face coming around right at him.
No, we were hoping
One of you got me good in the thigh and the shoulder.
Was that you?
Probably.
Yeah.
Who are they shooting at, dude?
You guys got the time of day?
Ooh, I like that.
2 o'clock.
What's up, buddies?
2 o'clock.
All right, the
Is it at 2:30?
Oh, hell yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock right now.
So this is like the last play that we have.
Yeah.
Well, that's fucking lame.
Well, at least I got blasted in the face for once today.
I got hit in the goggles pretty good downstairs.
That was the only
But
goggle shot I took
watched
all
my BBs
day.
Go off dude's goggles
And all
3
day
different
yesterday.
times.
I see him.
In the window, second story window above.
Yeah, I mean, we can't shoot him, but he's right there looking down.